Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're just briefly going to be covering on how you can set yourself up to start staking Function X tokens. Now, you actually begin the staking process on March 20th, but right now you can actually get yourself set up and get your virtual Function X token card. Now, keep in mind that I am a US resident, and this is one of the countries where it's restricted from participating in the Function X swap or token staking so far, sadly. So my interface may look a little bit different than yours, but it shouldn't be so different that I shouldn't be able to show you guys at least how to get it set up. Now, with that being said, also like I mentioned earlier, this staking won't actually begin until March 20th. But today is the day where you can re-download your the wallet and get yourself set up. So when March 20th comes, you can just hit start staking. Okay, so I found this article which I'm going to post it in the link below so you guys can get a better understanding. Because since my interface is a little bit different than yours, then it's going to look a little bit different. But right here, it shows a little bit of what yours will most likely look like. So basically, I'll explain. I'll show the video after. You would click on your Pundi X. After that, you would click transfer, and your screen will look like this. And basically, you're going to be able to pick how many coins you want to transfer to your Function X, which is basically going to be so you can start staking Function X. Go into your xwallet. Then from there, you would scroll down, and right here it says showcase new features, and it says download link. You would click on that, and this is for iPhone. Keep in mind, if you're doing for Android users, you would click on the link below the first link, and then after that you would exit your xwallet app. You would actually delete that old app, and then you would go into Safari. Mine is already there, but then yeah, you would just copy and paste that link onto your browser, and you would come to this page, and from there you would hit download. You would scroll up, unless it automatically downloads for you, because like I said, since I'm in the USA and we're not able to process, it's definitely the same. It's just I'm not able to see exactly, I won't have the same interface that you guys have. But yeah, then you would just download it from the actual a link that they give you. So instead of, don't open your app store first and download it from there. You just go to the link that they give you on Safari, and right there it'll take you to your app store anyways. But they say do it this way, so just to be safe, do it that way. And then yeah, you would just download it. I already have it. I can't really do anything with it anyways because I'm not able to stake, sadly. But yeah, then after that, you would there's a KYC process that you would have to go through, which is basically verifying yourself, so they get to know who you are, I guess, just to keep it all on record and all that, I guess, more official. But after that, you would simply, if it lets me go back, okay, oh, went all the way back. But okay, after that, you would just go back here to your home screen. You go to card, and right here on this screen you would hit this plus button right up top right there. And after you hit that button, again, for me it looks different because it doesn't want to, okay, there we go. But yeah, once you click that plus button, it should show the option for you guys that are in countries that you're able to stake and swap. Lucky for you, right? It will show at the bottom, it'll show Function X virtual card, and you would click on that and add it to your arsenal of the xwallet. And then after that, you would just see how right here for me it still says Pundi X because I'm not able to get the Function X virtual card. But it should show right up here your virtual card, and what you would do, you would select your virtual card, and then you would go to NPXS right here, and then you would transfer it to your other card. And basically, you won't be able to start staking right away, but after you transfer your Pundi X tokens and to your FX, it'll basically be ready for March 20th. Then you would come back to the app and you would hit start staking, and that's pretty much it. Now, if you guys have any further questions or any comments or anything like that, leave it in the comments below. If you're enjoying my Pundi X videos, my crypto videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.